Hi, my name is Ryan, and I'm a registered nurse here representing Lab Genomics. Today, I will be instructing you on how to obtain a proper stool specimen using our gastrointestinal panel sample kit. First, gather supplies. For the specimen, you will need the swab kit, complete with the sterile flocked collection device and transport system tube, personal protective equipment, and Lab Genomics form. To obtain the stool specimen, provide the patient with a clean, dry pan or special container for the patient to use. The stool specimen should not contain urine or water. Once you have a stool sample, open the peel pouch, remove the tube and the flock swab applicator. Please note, the swab should not be used as a paddle or spoon, but simply as a probe. Collect a small amount of stool by inserting the tip of the flock swab into the stool sample and rotating it gently. Remove and examine the tip to ensure there's an adequate amount of fecal sample on the tip of the swab. All surface area of the swab tip should have stool sample on it prior to placing it in the collection tube. Sample should not exceed the maximum fill line located on the transport system tube. In the instance the sample does exceed the maximum fill line, discard the sample and begin again using a fresh sample kit. Place the sample swab into the tube with the tube facing away from you. Gently hold the swab above the score and bend 180 degrees until the swab breaks at the score point. Now place the cap back on the tube and firmly screw the cap on. Ensure that the tube is properly sealed and prepared for shipping. Before placing the sample tube in the biohazard bag, please make sure that all the appropriate information for the patient is placed on the tube. This includes the patient name and date of birth. Check again to make sure all paperwork is complete and placed in the outer pouch of the biohazard bag before submitting to Lab Genomics. Thank you for watching our video. Again, this is Ryan here with Lab Genomics. For more information on training videos, please visit our website at newendeavors.com.